Good morning, beautiful people. This is Cindy Pressgrace, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about the supply on the market and why there's homes coming on the market more. All right, so why the growing number of home sales is good for your move up. That means, are you looking to sell your house? Are you looking to move? All right, let's get down to it, right? Okay, so are you thinking about selling your current home? Are you? Why? So if so, the biggest question on your mind is, maybe if I sell now, where will I go? All right, so if this resonates with you, there's something you should know, okay? I'm going to tell you why. And the number of homes coming onto the market is increasing. That could make it easier for you to move this summer. So wouldn't you want to move before classes start, school starts, and everything else, like the chaotic things that happen in August, September, and all that? Everybody back to school, traffic, and all that. All right, let's talk about this now. So according to the latest data from Realtor.com, the number of homes being listed for sale, known as new listings, houses hitting the market, houses for sale with signs, all right, has increased consistently this year. And I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more. So new listings increasing this year. What does that mean? So in January, 2022, new listings counts in the thousands. That's a good thing. Don't get me wrong. Keep in mind, but keep in mind this, that houses have been also flying off the shelf. So this is important for you and this is important for me, because I'm actually telling you how it is. Okay, so in January, we were looking at 320, then increases. So now in May, we've seen a more higher influx of houses coming into the market. So while this news is clear, this news has clear benefits for buyers and also, who are craving options for their home search. What does that mean for current homeowners like you? It gives you two distinct opportunities in today's market. First of all, your house have appreciated a lot. Okay, that's a good thing. Think about that. Now you're looking to sell your house. You're looking to move, either upgrade or downgrade, right? Now you have more options. Now there's more opportunities. If you're looking at that house that you were looking for a while, it might have just hit the market. Are you prepared to make that move? All right. So in this case is number one, the opportunity that we're talking about is take advantage of more options for your move up. Meaning, are you upgrading, downgrading, empty nester? There's so many things, divorce, baby. I mean, there's a lot of things that we can actually consider and talk about a little bit more. So if your current house no longer meets your needs or lacks the space and features you want, this gives you even more opportunity to sell and move up. Are you looking to upgrade or downgrade? Like I said, I keep on saying those two words, upgrade or downgrade. What do you want? Now, into the home of your dreams. As more options come to the market, you have more to choose from when you search for your next home. All right. So this means like, hey, you know what? Let's talk about what is coming on the market. So I can help you search these homes, send you some listings, tell you, hey, you know what? This is coming. This is hitting the market soon. Let's talk a little bit about it more. And then when you find one, I send it to you, then hey, you know what? Let's go ahead and see what type of offer can we come up with and get your house ready to hit the market. There's so many things we can actually talk about and discuss and all that, but it's going to be like, are you ready for that? Okay, now the second one is sell before you have more competition. All right, people, if you're looking to sell your house, you don't want to wait a little bit longer because you're going to have a little bit more competition. So just know that in order to make sure your house shines above the rest, it makes sense to put your home up for sale before your neighbors do the same. So creating more competition in your area. So that increase in numbers of homes being listed for sale is expected to continue. Keep in mind, everybody's thinking the same way. Oh wait, these interests are getting higher. I want to move. I'm ready. There's more options. But keep this in mind. We're not in a buyer's market. We're still having that surplus, deficit and surplus completely. So think about that. I want you guys to get that through your head and understand that. So the increase in numbers of homes being listed for sale is expected to continue. And a recent study from Realtor.com says 2/3 of homeowners looking to sell say they'll do so by August. So what is this meaning for you? Let's get you connected to a lender and see what your buying power is. Let's see what are your options. Let's see what we need to do for your house to list your house. Do you need a deep cleaning? Do you need decluttering? Have you started packing? What are those things that you actually had like 2 or 3 years ago that are in the attic or in your closet? When was the last time that you actually declutter your closet? Do you still have old clothes like from 10 years ago that you haven't even used? It's time to actually go to Goodwill and drop them off. All right. So this is this is where I'm coming into. As a real estate professional, I can advise you on what you need to get done in your house and how to get it ready to hit the market, right? We don't want any cell phone pictures. We want everything professionally done, especially for an open house. That live TikTok video, Instagram video, Facebook video. People are nosy and they want to look at your house. They want to see what beauty you have, what things can they visualize themselves in your house, and see if we can get you the highest offer. Think about that. All right, so it is a process to actually sell your house. It's not like now or tomorrow, but there's a lot of things to get it ready to hit the market. And you know what? If we get it done now, then you know what? We can actually get it sold and have you moved into your new home by the end of July. So think about those little things. So because it's a process of getting your house ready to sell. So ready to sell isn't taking as long as you may think. So if you start decluttering and doing everything you want, look, I had a client, this is almost 2 years ago. I think this was like we started November before Thanksgiving, and she had everything done in November. Like it was a week. She's like, I'm gonna get it done. She had a dumpster. What I'm telling you, these big giant dumpsters, she had those ready to go. I mean, she was amazing. So if she can do it, you can do it completely, okay? So there's no excuses. If you're ready to make that move, let me know. Let's see how we can get your house ready and get it in the best position and best way to actually market your home so that it would actually be, how do I say this? So I can stand out better than any other house in the market or in your area, right? You want to get visitors, you want people to see it and all that. That's amazing. So if you're a current homeowner looking to sell, let me know if you have any questions, comment below, and let's see what opportunities you can benefit from this process. Either you upgrade, downgrade, or do whatever you want to. Or even move into a cruise ship. Hey, a lot of people are doing it. It's cheaper than buying a house, right? Assisted living. All right, so this is Cindy Preskowitz with Cindy's Realty Group by EXP, and I hope you guys love my videos and comment, share, and subscribe. Have a beautiful day.